Okay, welcome to my tutorial where I'm going to talk about makeup. And yeah, so thumbs up. First, I'm going to use this thing, which I have no idea what it is. And I'm going to grab this little tiny brush and get a little dab on the end of my brush several times. You got to make sure you get it really in there. And then I'm not going to use that brush. I'm actually going to brush my eyebrows for some reason. Maybe to get the hairs all nice and spaced out. Okay, now I'm going to use the small brush to then make it look like I have really thick eyebrows, which I just brushed earlier. So make sure you get all the edges and you fill in all that space between your little eyebrow hairs. And you gotta make sure you put in a lot. That way it looks like you have a lot of eyebrows. Then use the big end of the brush and you brush it some more. Now you're gonna do the other side where you're gonna kind of start from the middle and then kind of make your way to the outer parts and brush it again, make it look like you used a crayon to fill in your eyebrows. All right, and then I'm gonna use this thing. Yeah, I don't know what this does either, but I'm gonna brush my eyebrows, and this is probably gonna space out the hairs of my eyebrows to make it look like I have eyebrow hair that's sticking up, but you have to be kind of rough with it. You gotta really stretch it. See how my skin just stretched like that. All right, and then I'm gonna use the other end, or do the other eyebrow and do the same thing. Okay, starting from the middle and then headed out to the far end. Then I'm going to use this cream for my eyelids, which, yeah, I'm not really sure what this does either. So don't take this advice at all. So I'm going to spread that cream all over my eyebrows, or my eyelids, and then up to my eyebrows. Make sure you spread it out somewhat evenly. Okay, if you have to use your finger, go ahead and use your finger if you have to. All right, so then you're going to do the other end, or your other eye, and you're going to go from the bottom of your eyebrow and make sure you do it slowly so you don't mix in with the other paint that you put on your eyebrows. So make sure you don't, kind of like a coloring book, you don't want to go past the lines. So and do the top for some reason. You're kind of just shaping your eyebrows how you want them. So you want them kind of straight down the side of your face. It's going to kind of curl down. So then we're going to get this eyeshadow, it looks like, with some brush that is a specialty brush. And we're going to use some kind of orange, which I'm sure has a special name for it, but it looks like orange or brown. And so this little paste probably helps the shadow attached to your eyes. Not really sure, but dab a little bit. And you want to make sure you dab all over the place to get on your eyes. Don't dab too hard because then it'll hurt your eyes. So we're going to get another shade of brown, or, well, I guess this is a shade of brown. And we're going to add to our eyeshadow. Totally skipped the other eye, but that's okay. I guess you can figure that out for yourself, how to do the other eye. But we're going to add this shade of brown and then mix it in. I don't know. I guess I had eyeliner, but then I'm not sure why I turned black on that other side. On that side of my eye. But add this brown. Doesn't look like it's doing anything, but I'm sure it does do something. At least you will notice. Yeah, so it kind of mixes in with black. Okay, then we're going to get this silver looking glitter eyeshadow. And we're going to add this because we already added depth with that dark brown eyeshadow we added before. So we're going to add some glittery stuff to our eyes. We're going to go to the top of our eyes, just the eyeball itself. And you can figure out how to put eyeshadow yourself. I'm not going to show you how to do that. So now we're going to do basically the same color, but we're going to use our pinky. And we're going to add a little bit. This adds a lot more of the glitterish stuff. So you can use your eyebrow or your pinky to add more of this stuff. You're going to try to make it as natural as possible, even though it's not natural at all to have eyeshadow. But all right, and then add some probably eyeliner, I guess is what this is. Okay, so you want to make it look like your eyes go further to the side of your head, even though they don't. But you want to use that black line. You want to kind of put it out further. This thingy here is some kind of, I have no idea what this is actually. This is like some kind of moisturizer probably or something, or it's probably going to help putting on foundation or something. So just put it on your cheeks though, and your chin, and nowhere else. Oh, okay, maybe your forehead then. And this is probably foundation. And we're going to get this little sponge. Okay, well, we put the brown stuff on our hands, but I'm not sure what that's for. So we're just gonna, we just skip to this little sponge that we're going to spray this water on or whatever this is. Oh, there we go. Okay, now we're using the whatever we put on it. So this is probably foundation. And so if you don't know, foundation basically just looks like you have no pores and your face is like plastic, is what this does. So you put this on your face, you dab it with the sponge. I'm sure the spraying the sponge before probably helps it not get dirty, and you can reuse. So there you go. So you have to get the right foundation, make sure it's the right skin tone, or the foundation is the same color as your skin tone. This basically just clogs up your pores and makes it look super plasticky on your face. It covers up all the acne that you might have, that you probably have. So go ahead and do this on your forehead too. Dab it, don't spread it, just dab. And we're gonna take this e.l.f. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. But it has this nice little like pad that you can put your fingers in, and you get a little bit of powder. And you're going to put this on your face, which, I don't know, makes it look a little more glossy, I guess is what this does. Not totally sure at all, or what's the reason. Most people probably won't notice it anyways, so only other girls will notice what that does. We take this thingy, which is like brown again, and we're going to get this other brush because this is a special brush. Not a regular brush, it's a special brush. And we're going to add this to our face. Totally doesn't do anything, but... And we're going to get this little... you can read the barcode, you can read what that is. Go and scan the barcode. You probably get a discount code, 20% off. All right, some more brown powder again. And this is for your cheeks to make it look like you have cheekbones, even though you may not have any cheekbones, but this will make it look like you do. And a sharper nose. And we're just kind of adding a little bit, maybe a sharper chin, maybe is maybe what we're trying to go for here. We're adding just on where the cheekbones would be. And a little bit on the nose, the tip of the nose, below the lip. And we're going to use this glazed, probably, I'm going to guess eyeshadow is probably what this is. Nope. I don't know. It's some other powder. It all looks the same. Really, it's all just the same, really. Does all the same stuff. So we're going to add this to our cheeks. Well, maybe it is eyeshadow. I don't know. But it adds glitter to your cheeks, so it makes it look a little more defined. Then you want to add some under your nose too. It smells pretty nice, so you might want to put that under your nose so you can smell it during the day. Right on the tip of your nose too. And you want to push it up make it look like you have a really sharp, pointy nose. It's just an optical illusion. You probably don't have a nose like that. It's totally unnatural. Okay, then use a spoon. You can get a spoon. After you maybe you ate breakfast already, just use your spoon and you can curl your eyelashes. Don't buy a eyelash curler. It's totally, or whatever they're called, it's totally a ripoff. Now you get fake eyelashes. The bigger the better. The thicker the better. And you put this glue on here. Don't put a lot because then it's obvious. And even people like me can tell when you put too much glue on eyelashes. I've seen it. It's too much. It clumps up on your eye. And it's totally obvious to everyone. Slowly put it on to your eye from each end. And make sure it's on there firm, because I've also seen eyelashes that have come off, or they halfway come off and everyone can see it and no one will tell you at all because they're too scared to tell you, and you won't notice until you go to the bathroom and see it for yourself, and already everyone's seen it. This, which we cannot read, and it's too small to even read, even if I knew what it was. Oh, it's lipstick. Okay, so we're gonna get this lipstick that looks reddish, and we're gonna add some lipstick. Only add lipstick to your actual lips. Do not go beyond your lips. I've seen that happen, and it's trying to make it look like your lips are bigger, but it just stick to your lips. Just wherever your lip ends is where your lipstick should end. So going to add to the top, to the bottom. Make sure you get a lot on there. And the bottom. Make sure you don't get it on your teeth, because again, people will not tell you that you have lipstick on your teeth, and you'll go the whole day with lipstick on your teeth until you look yourself in the mirror. We're gonna add, this is probably lip gloss, is what I'm gonna guess this is, and this is gonna make your lips look shiny, which is totally unrealistic, but we're gonna add some shine to our lips, top and bottom. Okay, and then we're gonna get this stuff. This is probably just perfume, actually. Who knows what this really is, but it's probably just water, actually. But then we're gonna do like a mascara, I guess, and we're gonna make, after we brushed our real eyebrows, we're gonna brush our fake eyebrows with this, and even the bottom ones too. Okay, so make sure you evenly coat all the hairs with this stuff so it looks natural. Okay. You have to go as slow as you need to. All right, and that's our final look. Okay, so just really shiny, looks good. Thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in the next one. Bye.